In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Webflow. We're going to walk through the connection process from start to finish so you can link your design file in Figma with your Webflow account and start syncing the parts of your project you want to use. This is especially helpful if you want a smoother handoff between design and development, or if you are planning to reuse styles, variables, or layout elements inside Webflow. To get started, open Figma and navigate to the file you want to work with. Make sure you are inside the correct project before moving on, since the connection will be used with the file you currently have open. Once your file is open, go to the top toolbar and click the Resources icon. From there, open the Plugins tab and search for Figma to Webflow. When you see the plugin in the search results, click Run. This will launch the plugin so you can begin the connection setup directly inside Figma. After the plugin opens, a modal window will appear. In that modal, click Next and then click Connect. This will begin the authorization process and redirect you to Webflow in your browser. At this point, you'll need to log into your Webflow account if you aren't already signed in. Inside Webflow, select the workspaces or specific sites you want to authorize for the connection. This step is important because it determines where the plugin will be allowed to send information. After choosing the appropriate access, click Authorize App to confirm the connection between Figma and Webflow. Once authorization is complete, you can close the browser tab and return to your Figma file. Back in Figma, the plugin should now be connected and ready to use. From here, select the elements, variables, or styles you want to sync. This could include visual components, reusable design tokens, or styling choices you want reflected in Webflow. After making your selection, click Sync to Webflow in the plugin. This is what allows you to copy layouts or sync design systems such as styles and variables, helping keep your work more organized and consistent across both platforms. As a tip, it's a good idea to double-check your selections before syncing so only the assets you actually want are included. And that's it. Thanks for watching.